Meron tayo ngayong jellyfish. Jellyfish, bullet jellyfish from Thailand. So, fresh from Thailand. So, let's try to eat. See? It's look like lettuce, yung like gulaman or whatever it is. But, it's fresh jellyfish. So, sabi nila, kinakain daw to. Let's try to eat. Samahan nyo ako. Ganito lang daw yun. So, cut ng maliit. And, put in the salad like this. With the sauce. This is the sauce, chili sauce. See? Sarap pala siya. Guys, jellyfish. First time ko makakain ng ganito. Try nyo na. Bullet jellyfish. Ganito siya, oh. Sinerts ko. Yummy. Malutong. Crunchy.